Alright guys, right now we're on our way to the oh god, we're on our way to the car show. Damn bro, slow down.
I'm trying to get there.
Shit, we're on the way to the car show and I gotta fix my hair. Mike, you gonna kill us, Mike?
I'm driving good.
Oh my
Bitch, I
god.
know you're not talking the last time you were driving all crazy.
I know what you're talking about. Oh, this fuck. Ah! Ah! Yo! Oh, the cops, bro, the cops!
You're so dumb. Like, look where you at.
Yeah, nigga, look at the cops, nigga. We're going to jail.
I ain't been there since I got here.
Like they had me on standby. See the pain in my damn eyes. I got out the jail and my man's died. I never sleep in the band. I'm not a regular person. I can't be giving no verses. I'm making the industry nervous.
Woo! Just picked up my man Fritz. Now we about to go pick up Ryan. My man about to kill us in the car. Yo, why you watch your mouth, boy? When life get you lemons, what you do? You squeeze them. Yo, turn that shit off, bro. It's nice as shit outside, bro. Nah, it's posted now, bro. Now I got footage. Can you blow my car for me? $20.
$20. You gotta give me half a check and you gonna get like 15 for that car.
15? So you want $20? I give you $20.
Nah, I need more than that.
You said $20.
No.
If I get 15,000 for the car, I can give you $20. No, you too much. You expensive. What? I just hired a crackhead. You on $40 and call it a day. Bro, what is you playing, bro?
Pull up to the party, yeah. Gassed up, shorty. Said I need my 40.
It was a feel. Mike's a bum. Michael a bum bitch. Oh, that's my son!
Yeah. Is you fucking with me? Is I'm fucking with you? I'm really in the streets, so what am I to do? I don't want you to leave, but if I gotta choose, I gotta keep it all the way 100, baby. I ain't got no time for you. No time. Too busy chasing money, baby. I ain't got no time for you. No time. Oh, I ain't got no time for you. Out of time, cause I enjoy being hurt. I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on your shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that they're all lies. Mad as you are, you stick around, and I don't know why. But what you meant, baby, you never worry about what I do. I think I'm home back to you every night. Doing it right. You're the type of woman that deserves good pay.
I'm gonna text you too. What's up, y'all?
Go to the fuck to the back, young boy. Ah, go to the back, young blood. Why you gotta? Bro, where you hoodie at?
I got your ID.
Hey, y'all, what's up? We in Chinatown right now. Oh, we got the guys out here. Oh, taking a picture. Let's get under your picture. We are now. Where are we going first?
Car show.
We're going to the car show.
You burnt.
Cold out this tone. Cold. Y'all, I wanna.
Bro, you smell that shit.
I wanna eat bubble balls, bro.
Right. Bubble tea.
Bubble. Yo, let somebody, yo, I swear to God, somebody smack me, bro. It's over.
Yeah, you smell that shit?
Smell like Brian Bohu.
Right, you smell that? Yo, you smell that shit?
What you smell, Mike?
Burnt. Yeah, I'm burnt. Somebody got burnt. Woo! You getting $4 back.
Do you want?
Woo. Yo, Mike, let's go to the karaoke lounge.
Nah, nigga.
Why?
I don't want to.
Always ruining something. Bro, let's get our body wax. Bro, let's get our body wax. Let's see how that feels. Oh, this bubble tea right here, bro. This the one? Yo, they got everything down here. Hey, don't cross the street here, you'll get socked.
Oh, no, you'll get your car kicked.
You'll get your car kicked, right? Well, tell me why somebody kicked Michael, kicked Mike's car.
So drunk after you.
Yo, my man got a watch. I'm proud of you. Yo, I'm really proud of you. Now you're going on a vlog. You Mike got a watch. Hashtag it's not real. Come on, Mike. Let's go. Let's go look at our dream cars. Damn, bro. That's my new shit. That's my new shit. What is life?
Babe, you did not hand me the
Oh, I
ticket.
got mine and yours.
Bro, well, it's the come straight out of jail special right this. Came out the halfway house in this dog. He got his nephew's. How you doing? Thank you. Let's go see our dream cars that we're gonna get in like 95 years.
Yeah.
You ready? Let's go. Now let's go. Oh my bro, look at the did you lift it? Oh shit! Damn! What is like? Yo, get the flag on the jump, bro!
Oh my God, look at the Jeep.
Ooh! Man, I don't like his drop though. That's the only thing I don't like his drop.
Drop it not.
That thing.
I got the bag on me now. I got the bag on me. I get the bag
They
on me.
wanna run down on me when they see me, them niggas is mad at me. So I walk around with it cause they plotting and I keep that bag on me. I was a clown to them hating niggas, yeah, they used to laugh at me. Now I gotta hold it down case a nigga feel like he wanna come.
I'm right here, look. Yo, hold on. Yo, how did y'all look? You gotta take a picture, bro. Move back.
Look at that.
Yo, go back. This is my pick mate. Just bought this car. Go back, gotta take a picture of yourself. We just split up from the group. I don't know where the hell they go. Where they at?
This car
Hold on, alright. This is Babe right here. That's Babe. GTR.
Mad at me cause I got that bag on.
Did the whole first floor. Everybody went to the second floor. Who?
Who?
I don't give a fuck who he is. Who? What you pointing at?
For me?
Yeah.
I was pointing at the I ain't shit.
He's got escalated.
Who?
This nigga.
Who E? I said there's escalators right there.
How you get upstairs?
Get up here. Oh, escalators over here.
Oh, they're right there.
Are you supposed to go?
Moving on up to the east side. Fritz, why you moving so fast? What you scared for?
Get the hook. Damn, this one we want to go at.
Wait, where you at? I'm right here. Like, look at this. I'm near Accra right now. Accra.
Rockets got a The night riders and the pack pushers and the white buyers. I'm like Mike Myers with a knife buyer. I could bring it to you, but the price higher. Bust down, make the ice brighter. We ain't really on site typers. We to serve you on site typer. Give it to you in a white
They
viper.
wanna run down on me when they see me, them niggas.
Is that a real?
I was a clown to them hating niggas, yeah, they used to laugh at me. Now I gotta hold it down, case a nigga feel like he wanna come after me. Cause I got that bag on me, yeah, I got that bag on me. I got that bag on me, yeah, I keep that bag on me. They wanna run down on me when they see me, them niggas is mad at me. So I walk around with it, cause they plotting and I keep that bag on me.
I got the bag on.
On we about to get on the Jeeps, cars, whatever they say. We doing the Jeep, John. So we about to get on. Oh, we got Dave. That tongue go right up. We got the squad in. We got the. Oh, I thought that John was gonna go over. Dave, you gotta sit on this side.
I gotta sit in the fucking middle, nigga.
Oh man.
Go ahead, Inge.
I got it. Yo, we gotta ride shoulder to shoulder. Yo, yes we are.
You are not.
Say what's up to the vlog.
You could have called me on a good day with my
I
hair
got
down.
you. Listen, you got a hat on though. That's all
You know
they.
what I'm saying? Listen,
So I think this is where we're getting. Oh no, we not getting in that. They getting in that. She said. So we are getting in. Okay.
Take yourself a cleaner.
Oh, we're in now.
Big man with a
Big boy.
one big happy family, baby.
There you go. Yo. Oh shit, wait.
You guys are buckled up?
Yeah, we buckled up. Say what's up to the vlog, man.
What up, man? How you guys doing?
Hey, we got the Jeep man right here.
All right,
We got my man Dave in the back. Yo,
We going.
Camp G, guys. My name is
Whoa!
Already. In the 2017
Oh,
27 Cherokee Trailhawk.
Yo, my man squished in his junk.
Alright, you guys want to look in this camera? I gotta get a quick picture of you guys.
Picture and all.
Alright, so first thing we're gonna do, guys, go up these two off-camera tracks. You're gonna make it so all four tires are at different levels of height. We're gonna do all four tires.
Oh, we on the left too much.
And then this got the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi in it. It's got 360 horsepower.
It's got a Hemi in it?
Yep, 360 horsepower, 390 foot-pounds of torque. We got a four-wheel low right now, so we're gonna crawl right up this 30-degree angle hill.
I feel like we going back.
We gonna flip.
All the way up to the top, 15 feet, and then 30 degrees on the way down too, guys. I can turn on the hill descent, so I can take my foot completely off the brake. So right now I'm not touching the brake at all. It's braking force all the way down.
This is good.
And then you can even shift and speed it up a little bit if you want to go a little faster as you go down. You don't gotta have your foot on the brake.
Alright, I don't like this part right here.
So right here, guys, we're gonna get up on this 30 degree.
Yeah, we sideways.
Rock and shake this as much as we want. We're not gonna tip over because they have such a low center of gravity.
All the way to the bottom, right?
Yep. And then right here, gonna go over this brake over, guys. We're gonna lift up that front right tire. You're gonna see that.
Oh, this shit gonna flip over. It's a wrap. This shit flipping over.
Oh man.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo.
And then it's got that air.
We just finished up the car show. Now we're about to get out of here. It's like 8 o'clock now. Oh, there you go.
The Philadelphia Auto Show is now closed.
It's now closed.
Again, the Philadelphia Auto Show is now closed. Please exit the building.
I was pretty happy with it. I seen all the cars I wanted to see. Wasn't bad.
See my dream car.
Seen your dream car?
Yeah.
I seen a couple cars I might get next year.
A couple?
Yeah, I want to see which one I want to get. Not sure yet.
Downstairs though.
Now, let's see if we can pass by.
Can we put the Jeep through here?
What you mean? That's my guy's favorite car right there.
That's my future car right here. Step on it.
Woo! See that Jag?
That sounds better.
You say that sound better than that Jag?
Huh?
Fuck no.
Fuck yeah.
You said that sounds better than that Jag.
Yeah.
Fuck no. Woo. That was a good car show. Right, Fritz?
Yeah, that joint's fuck.
How you feel about that car show, Brian?
It's alright.
It wasn't bad.
Yeah, it wasn't.
I got to see the cars that I wanted to see, so I was pretty
wasn't
happy
what I
about
see my
that.
V.
I thought it would have been happy. I thought it would have been better.
Yeah,
It could have been. It could have been a little better.
Chinatown. Show them where we at, bro. Show
Yo,
them where
we in
at.
China. Wait, don't cross.
We only got
Wait, no, it's this street, bro.
Yo, it's this street.
It's this street.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's this street.
Point up.
We at Chinatown. Chinatown. Everybody loves Chinatown. Bro, it's this way, bro. You tripping? I want some rolled yogurt. Catch it, bro. Catch it, boys. Catch it. Oh! Oh! Bro, you gonna hit him?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Bro.
Ah! Oh, yeah, you're gonna kill us. Oh,
bro,
shit.
we got turn, bro.
Go. Ah! Bro, don't. Yeah. All right, Dave, catch the bus. Hurry up, Dave. Catch it.
Yeah, tell him you had dick.
I just got home, guys. It was a long day. I'm about to go upstairs, go to bed. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. See ya.